Hello to the second video from Laravel 10 tutorial. In this video we will talk about folder structure. In the previous video we have initialized our first project and now we are opening the project in VS Code. So let's start to see what is this folder and what's each one do. First thing, our most important folder, it's the app folder. That's include console and exception and HTTP. It's the most important one. Also the models, it's so important. And we have provider for service provider and other providers. We will talk about each one of these folders. First thing, let's take a very quick tour with all folders. Second one, it's bootstrap. It have caching and app. It's the entry point that makes the application running. And we have the config file. We have some of config files like app config, os config, broadcasting config, cache config, and extras. We have also database that include factories for creating some fake data. We used it to create some fake data and something else. Migration for creating our tables in database and change the table fields or alter table or something like that. Seeders are to make functionalities that insert some data to the database for testing. Public folder is the folder that handle all the assets and the icons and images and CSS file and JavaScript files that we may use in our application, but in our case we will make API, so we don't need the public folder. Resources contain some of folders like CSS and JS and views. The view is the most important one when we are using Blade in Laravel 10. So view, it means our front inside. Inside the view we have files with extension blade.php. You can write inside it like HTML, but we can use and call some Laravel data to display it. We will not use this view also because we are making API system, not full stack project. Routes, it's very important. We have some files inside the route folder. One of them that we will use, it's api.php. Inside the api.php we will put all routes that we have made, like login, sign up, create user, add user, delete user, update user, create post, update post, and extra. And that depends about our project. So inside api.php we will put all the routes that we have to deal with it. Storage, we use it to store some files and data, and also we can inside storage see the logs that inside the logs will be a new file contain every single steps that the user done inside the project, or when we have some errors we can fetch the error and see what's happened inside the logs folders. Test for testing, and it's using PHP unit testing. We will not use it for now. Vendor, it's like node module. If you are using nodejs, every dependency, every package we will download it, will install it inside the vendor. And we have .env, we have all the variables that we are using inside our application, like database connection, broadcasting a channel, and emailing and caching, and many other configuration. Get ignore, it's for ignoring some file or folders to not upload it to the GitHub. Artisan, it's the make the application or make our project know what's the know the commands that we will write. Like we will write in future some commands like PHP artisan make model, or make controller, or PHP artisan migrate, or make migration, or something like that. All of these commands, artisan file, handle it. Composer.json, it's like package.json in nodejs. Inside it we can see our package that we have installed inside the require, and the require div also, it's our packages but that we have installed as a div flag. Package.json, it's from like npm in node.js. And void, it's instead of mixin in the old Laravel version. We will see what that mean. PHP unit.xml, it's a unit test for testing our application or our functionality or our API. So this is quick tour about our folder structure. The most important thing that we have, that we will deal with it, it's app. Inside app we have model and HTTP. Inside HTTP we have controller and middleware. And we will deal with database migrations to make our tables inside database. Also we will deal with route to make our route inside api.php. Those three folders, the most important folders that we will deal with it inside our tutorial. So I hope you see this video, it's useful, and please support my channel and subscribe it. And I will talk again. I'm not native English native speaker, so if I have say any words wrong, please forgive me, and don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching.